Hello everyone, my name is Kamal and I'm part of Extreme Excel team. In this video we'll show you a quick demonstration of Selenium Basic, which is a library for Excel VBA. It is another library like Selenium Wrapper. It uses a JSON wire protocol and therefore we can use it for web as well as device automation. So we are going to install and launch an Android app in an Android device. So first of all, we will open VB editor and I'm going to add a new module. Make sure that you have included Selenium Basic library. Let's create a sub procedure and name it as chest. After including the library, let's create an instance of WebDriver like Tim driver as new WebDriver, and then driver dot set capability. Basically we are going to set capabilities of uh, uh, the device that we are going to automate. So if you are aware of Selenium and Appium, so you might have heard of desired capabilities that we need to set before launching an application. So the next capability is platform name. Browser name is Android, platform name is also Android. Then the next capability is, so we have a list of capabilities. You need to set values for all. The next one is platform version. So we need to basically check the version of device which we are going to automate. So I am currently using Genuine emulator. So I'll go to settings and then in about phone I'll check the version. So it has 4.3 version, so I'll update the version here. Then the next capability is driver.set capability and then device name. So for device name, we need to check it through adb devices command. So I will open command prompt and I'll type adb devices. So this is device name. In case of emulator, you will see this kind of URL and port, and if it is a real device you will see a 8 to 10 digit alphanumeric key. Just copy and paste it as it is. Then the next capability is app. Now you need to specify the app that you are going to launch on that Android emulator. So here in this value of this capability, you need to, okay, let's first start Appium server side by side and we'll see the path of the APK file and I'll put it here. So after setting the path, the next capability is okay, we are done with capabilities. The next capability may be the activity name or the uh, package name, but we are not setting it right now. We are just starting the activity as the launching the application. So for that we will use driver.start remotely because we are using remote WebDriver. And here you need to set the URL and port number of server, basically the Appium server that you are using, because Appium will be listening on this port on the local. So if you launch Appium, you can see it in the settings and you can change the URL and the port as well, and then in case you change it, you just need to specify the modified port here and the URL. Then after starting it, I'll add a delay of let's say 4-5 seconds, and then I will just put driver.quit to close the instance of that WebDriver. So this will just install the application in my emulator and then launch it, and after 5 seconds it will close it. We have a lot of methods as we have in Selenium using Java. So we can identify elements using various locators like ID, class name, name, and URL, partial link, maybe using XPath and CSS selectors as well. So using those we can easily automate any website, uh, click operation, swipe operation, anything we can do using this. So I have started Appium server. Once it is started, you will see it in the logs. It takes time for the first time, not much, but a few seconds. So the server is up now. I'm clearing the logs now. I'm going to my code and I am running this. So I started receiving hits on my Appium server. VBA is hitting or sending requests to that port, and Appium is listening to it and responding. And this Appium is interacting with the emulator, and it will install the app soon and it will launch it. So it has launched the application. Then after a delay of few seconds, it will close it. So that's it. This was a small demo, uh, and it was just launching the application using Appium and Selenium Basic library for Excel VBA. Now, in case you want to add your steps, you can add after driver.start remotely, and if you want to see another run, it should wait for 10 seconds. There was some error in the code, and that's why it was not waiting. So that error was related to timer. I didn't set the variable value correctly. So once we update the value, it will wait for 10 seconds. So you can see it here that it is now waiting. So it will keep on waiting till 10 seconds, and then after the loop exits, it will move to this statement, and then once we execute that, it will close the browser. So that's pretty much. In case you have any questions, write to me, and you keep watching our channel, and please subscribe to our channel as well for more such videos. Goodbye.